we got one.
Oh, empty brain, Robert Einstein. She got it lucky from Robert Einstein. Empty brain article. She got it lucky from Robert Einstein. Empty brain article. And she taught NASA inside. Robert Einstein wrote an empty brain article. She argued that the computer metaphor is. And I got it, it is. And I got it. He argued that the computer metaphor is. And I got it on me. A bad metaphor for understanding how the brain works. She argued that the computer metaphor is. In the research, your brain does not process information. In short, your brain is not a computer. Cause I have emotions. And I know that I'm doing this. Cause I have emotions. Argue that the computer metaphor and the Robert Einstein research in loss and whatever me. She argued that the computer metaphor is Robert Einstein's research article. Cause I did not get the cord for my laptop. Robert Einstein argued that the computer metaphor that it cannot process information and that it's not a computer. I got mad, so I told my dad. I got mad and gave him a set of question answer. And I don't know what I gotta do, Robert Einstein, so I got a virus from watching that video. Infected on the soul. And I don't mean it. You ask a set of questions and never find it. Oh, she said the brain is not a computer. What did I do? And I got a feeling why you saw empty brain article by Robert Einstein. Empty brain article. Robert Einstein. Empty brain article. Robert Einstein's argument that guided by the research, the computer metaphor. Some metaphors negatives. I cannot process information. Yeah. And I'm gonna programs all because of my music video messing up. I hate it when my music videos mess up. And it's because that I have emotions.